Hi everyone, hope you are well. We are going to look up a variation of a bird of paradise. It's going to be like a humble bird of paradise. Let's see it from a triangle. So you step out, realigning the pelvis, both shoulders in the same line, bending the bottom leg, and you find your bind. Step forward, lift the leg up, stabilize, and you lengthen the leg to the side. And control your head down, and you release your hands. Maybe after it you find the big toes, and as you exhale, you drop the chest down. Inhale, reopen the chest. And exhale, come back up. So this is a possible mini sequence to join the movement to. Let's see it a little bit from the front as well. So you always need to step out to a large movement, and you always need to find your bind. Stepping out, reopening again the chest. So that's also a funky pose. If you are holding it here, don't lifting up. Actually your back is working a lot and your shoulders are working a lot. And then you extend. And if you want to continue, of course, you come back up. And then you bring it back. And again, you lower down. As controlled as possible, and probably you want to hang around a little bit, holding your arms. Taking your pelvis, inhaling, chest is reopening, and exhale, back up. Great. So what do you need to have for this posture is probably how to bind. So in case if you need to work on this bind, it's going to be easier to do it with a yoga belt. So you bind somewhere where it is available for you, and you use it until you cannot close the hands. Maybe you can try practicing with the belt. And it works perfectly fine. So you can prop yourself up this way. What you also need to have for the posture is flexibility in the adductors, so in your inner thigh, and flexibility in your hamstring. So to get this flexibility, the Padottanasana and the standing big toe holding posture is going to be really helpful. So if you would like to have a little mini sequence for your hamstring flexibility, maybe I would go like a big low lunge. Inhale, chest opening. Exhale, dropping down. Inhale, opening the chest. And with an exhale, turn forward. Another inhale. And with an exhale, drop the head down for a wide leg forward fold. Inhale, chest opening. And exhale, forward again. Yeah, and another inhale, you open the chest again, square your pelvis, take hold of the big toe, roll your shoulders back, and as you exhale, extend the leg. So if you can do this, pretty sure you will not have problem with the hamstring flexibility in the bird of paradise. And if you can also bring it out to the side, then you are having more flexibility in the abductor and in the hamstring than this posture is requiring. Great. So thanks a lot for watching. This posture is going to work in your hamstring, in your adductors, in your back, and in your shoulders. Good luck with it. Have a nice day.